from your English grammar book, Innovative Basic English Grammar. So let me start here. First exercise in Test Yourself, you are to fill the gaps with the correct form of the nouns singular or plural. Okay beta, here first one has been done for you. They ate some tomato. Tomato word is in bracket and you are to write in the gap. What will you write here? Tomatoes. As you have learnt in your early childhood, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. So you are to add es with tomato and what will you write here? Tomatoes. Next, second, you can put dash in your tea. There is a word in the bracket, sugar. Can you count sugar? Sugars. Have you ever heard? No, you cannot count the sugar. You are to write here as it is in the blank, like me, the word sugar. Okay beta. Next, third sentence. We have to buy new dash. There is a word in bracket, furniture. You cannot count the furniture. This exercise is based on countable or uncountable numbers. So, can you say, please tell me, one furniture, two furniture, three furniture. Can you count the furniture? No, you can't do the same. So, write the same word in the blank, furniture. Okay beta. Next, fourth sentence. I need to wash my dash. You are to write the same word that is given in bracket here. Okay. Next word sentence is we had lots of dash. There is a word fun in the bracket, but you are to write the same as it is. You have to do no change with this word because you cannot count an abstract noun. Fun means in Hindi that is maja. Can you say one maja, two maja, or one fun or two fun? No, you cannot say. So you have to write the same. Next, sixth sentence. The Milfords have a lot of dash. There is a word given, money. Can you tell me, can you speak one money, two money, three monies, four monies? No. 100 monies? No. You are to say only money. So you will write here the word money. Next, how many dash were at the cinema with you? There is a word in bracket, it is people. People is a collective noun for the persons. Okay beta. So you are to write here the same word people in the given blank. Next, could you give some dash on your project? There is a word in the bracket, information. You cannot count information 1, 2, 3, 4 because its plural remains same, that is information, and you will write here the same word. Next, in this hotel dash are very welcome. Here is a word family. Can you see here is a letter Y at the end of this word. So you have to remove the Y and what will you add? IES and it will become families. Okay beta. Next, 10th sentence. Those dash seem to be very tired. Here is the word man, but you are to change the vowel between these two letters M or N. What will you put here? Men. E and it will become men. Then this sentence will become those men seem to be very tired. Okay बेटा. In B exercise, you are to change the following sentences from the plural to singular. इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको जो सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं वो प्लूरल फॉर्म में हैं. जहाँ प्लूरल है वहाँ सिंगुलर करना है और जहाँ सिंगुलर है वो प्लूरल करना है. ये एक्सरसाइज आपकी सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट नामक टॉपिक पे बेस्ड है. इन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस देयर इज written, men were happy to get bunches of grapes. So you are to write according me, as I have changed the word men into man. Were is used with plural and you are to write here was. As was or were, you must to keep in mind was is used always with the singulars and were is used with plurals. As you have learned in your textbook also, there was an exercise. Okay beta. Next, all the man was happy to get a bunch of grapes. You have to write like this. I have turned bunches into a bunch, but I haven't changed the word grapes because it remains always plural. You cannot say one grape, two grape, three grape. So this new sentence is in front of us. Man was happy to get a bunch of grapes. Okay beta. Next, second sentence, all the policemen were wearing helmets. We are to change here policemen were into was and helmets into helmet. So new sentence will come before us. Policeman was wearing helmet. Next, third sentence, thieves were carrying knives with them. In this sentence we are to change thieves into thief, were into was, knives into knife, and them into him. So a new sentence is in front of us, that is thief was carrying knife with him. Okay beta. Here comes fourth sentence. The sheep are afraid of wolves. In this sentence the sheep word will remain same, are will turn into is, and wolves will turn into wolf. So a new sentence will come before us, that is the sheep is afraid of wolf. यानी भेड़ भेड़िए से डरती है. First, as you can see here, fifth sentence, children dressed up in trousers were wearing spectacles. This sentence means in Hindi, बच्चे जो कि पैंट में हैं उन्होंने चश्मे लगा रखे हैं, चश्मे पहने थे. So you are to change this sentence, children into child, trousers will remain same, spectacles will remain same, because these are exceptional words which remains same. Then a new sentence will come before us, that is child dressed up in trousers, were will turn into was wearing spectacles. Okay beta. Sixth sentence, these actors play the parts of heroes. यानी ये कलाकार नायक का किरदार निभाते हैं. We will turn actors into actor, play into plays, and parts into part, single part, and heroes will turn into hero. Okay, then a new sentence is in front of us, that This actor plays the part of hero. Next, seventh sentence. We saw many deer in the woods and many fish in the rivers. We will change the word we into I. Deer will remain same. Here verb form saw will not change, and woods is a plural word which is used as singular also same, and fish is also used both in singular and plural the same, and rivers will change into river. So here is the sentence. I saw one deer in the woods and a fish in the river. It is a new sentence in front of us. Next, eighth sentence. Boys like to play games. Here we will change boys word into boy. Like will become likes. As you can recall, in simple present we add s or es with the first form, so it will become here likes. To play games, games will turn into game. A new sentence is in front of us, that is boy likes to play game. Next, ninth sentence. Policemen wear helmets. We will change policemen into policeman. Wear will be changed into wears. Helmets will be changed into helmet. So a new sentence is in front of us, that is policeman wears helmet. Next, 10th sentence. Thieves are afraid of policemen. That is, we are to change here thieves into thief. R will be changed into is, and policeman will be changed into policeman. Okay beta. Then we will have a new sentence. Thief is afraid of policeman. Here comes C exercise. You are to fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the verbs given. Here comes first sentence. Birds dash wings. There are two words in the brackets, have or has. Because birds are plural, so you are to write here have. Next, my shows dash new. There are two words in the brackets, are and is. In simple present tense, is used with singular and are is used with plural, as you can recall them. Next, third sentence. These women dash their children. There are two words, loves or love. What will you write here? Love, because women is a plural word. Next, the mangoes of these trees dash sweet. There are two words, is or are. The mangoes is a plural word, so what will you write here? Are. Next, new knives dash sharp. There are two words, cut or cuts. What will you write here? Cut, because knives is a plural word. Next, this city dash full of flies. Here are two words, is or are. What will you write here? Is. This city is full of flies. How many factories dash there in your town? That means आपकी टाउन में कितनी फैक्ट्रीज हैं? या here factories is a plural word, so you are to write here are. Next, great men dash great hobbies. Has or have. What will you write here? Men is a plural word. कौन सा है? men क्या है? बहुवचन है, plural word है, so you are to write here have. Okay बेटा. Next, the old men dash working with sticks in their hands. There are two words in was or were. As I have earlier told you, Was is used with singular and were is used with plural. So we have to write here the word were. Okay beta. Next, a goose dash webbed feet. There are two words, has or have. What will you write here? As a goose is a singular, so you have to write here has. Okay. Here chapter number 4 ends, and you are to fill all the exercise neatly and clearly. We will meet in next video with the chapter number 5, genders. Till then, you are to learn all the exercises of this lesson. Okay beta, stay safe at your homes. Bye.